Knowledge is power, and the holy grail of obtaining and using that knowledge are tools like Chatbase. Here's a quick demo of what Chatbase is allowing people to do. You can connect websites, you can connect files, PDFs, anything, and have a conversation around it, and more. But Chatbase has its limitations. It's kind of expensive, so we think that we can do better. Although Chatbase is one of the best knowledge management tools out there, like I said, it has its limitations. You can only have 2 chatbots, up to 5 total, and it goes from $20 to $300, actually $400 pretty fast. But it works similar to another thing, OpenAI instructions. So OpenAI just added a great integration to ChatGPT called Instruction. It's a great first start. Now let's take a closer look at Chatbase and what it can do. All right, so let's start with chatbots. Like I said, you can only have 2 chatbots with the $19 plan, which is very restrictive for me. But you can talk to files, it can be Excel spreadsheets, they can be anything, PDFs, it doesn't matter. I love Chatbase. It allows me to talk to documentation, write code, anything that I need to do to get work done. I've imported websites like LangChain, Spotify, it doesn't matter. And I can talk directly with those sites, get information that I just can't find on the internet. Let's take a look at the pricing. $19, $100, $400 for 10 chatbots. Are you crazy? So we have a better solution in our mobile app called Ask. We call them profiles. So profiles, you can have multiple profiles, unlike Chatbase, which gives you only 5 total. You can have 20, 30, 40, it doesn't matter. Profiles can contain files, it can contain text snippets, websites, anything you want as a collection that you can have a conversation around, including anything that you save from your smartphone. So let's take a look at a demo of Chatbase. Let's go give a demonstration. We're going to bring in a Spotify documentation and have a conversation around it. And then we're going to show you our take on what we've done with our playground that we actually built in 2 days to clone what Chatbase does. So we're going to put the same documentation link in our solution. That's going to eventually be a part of profiles. We're going to tell it we're at depth of 1. And now we're going to jump back to Chatbase and see how far it's gotten. It's finished actually indexing all the documentation for Spotify. And now we're going to create a chatbot with it. Same thing would be done with our playground that you just saw, and the same thing would be done in profiles on Ask. So this is all of the documentation that not only can you have a conversation with, but you can extrapolate, hypothesize, and create code from this documentation that's not even available on the internet using ChatGPT. So see how fast it creates a chatbot? What it's doing is it's storing the entire database that is collected in something called vector database. And now I can actually ask it anything. So I'm going to ask it what type of API are you? I think that's the question. Let's see. So ask it a basic question. And Spotify gives me an answer. So this isn't coming from the internet. This is coming from Spotify's documentation. Now I'm asking it to give me a Node.js code snippet and how I can use the API to access a playlist. So this data is not antiquated like as if you were talking to ChatGPT. It's coming straight from Spotify's latest documentation, which is beautiful. So now we're going to do the same thing with our playground. And as you can see, we've indexed the entire documentation, which takes about the same amount of time as Chatbase. And we've already stored it in a vector database so that you can have a conversation around. So I'm going to ask it the same question. Tell me about your API. And we're going to speed up performance. Ours is a little bit slower, but not by much. Remember, it took us only 2 days to build this, so we have a little ways to go to speed it up. But there's the answer. Same answer that we got using Chatbase. So this tool will be available real soon as a mobile tool, possibly even on a desktop. And I look forward to you guys playing around with it. You'll be able to chat with anything, ask anything, do anything, and you'll be able to use it with Ask, your new knowledge management assistant. Thank you for your time. This is Profiles. Take care.